In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your IKEA order. Tracking your order is an easy process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you are never left wondering where your package is. First, we'll begin by heading over to the IKEA website. Open your browser and go to ikea.com. Depending on your location, you'll need to select your country or region to ensure you're accessing the right site. This ensures you're getting the most accurate details concerning your order. Once you've navigated to the correct regional site, look for the option to log in. If you don't have an account yet, now is a great time to sign up. Simply click on Login, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. For those without an account, there's a sign-up link you can click to quickly create one. Follow the prompts, which typically include entering your email and creating a password. After your account is set up, or if you already have an account, click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the address you provided when placing your order. After entering your email, click Log In with your password, then enter your password and log in. Once you're logged in, hover over your profile name located at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, you should click on My Purchases, or it might be listed as My Purchase History. This option takes you to a detailed list of all your recent purchases from IKEA. Now let's find the specific order you want to track. Scroll through your purchase history and locate the order. Click on View Details to see more information about this specific purchase, including tracking links or any updates regarding the shipment. If you checked out as a guest and didn't log in when making the purchase, don't worry, you can still track your order by navigating to the Track My Order page. This page is usually listed under Customer Services at the bottom of IKEA's website. From there, click on Track and Manage Order to enter your order details. To proceed, enter the order number found in your confirmation email alongside the email address you used during purchase, and then click on Track Order. This should bring up the current status of your shipment, which might be labeled as Order Confirmed, Preparing for Shipment, or even Shipped. If your order was set for Click and Collect, it might display as Ready for Pickup. In many cases, IKEA provides a tracking link from their courier partner, like Lalamove, DHL, or FedEx. Clicking on these links will give you real-time updates on the location of your package. If your tracking information hasn't been updated, or if you need further assistance, it might be time to contact IKEA support. At the bottom of the website, under Help, and then Contact Us, you'll find options to chat, call, or email support. Provide them with your order number, email, and purchase date to get further details. Remember, keeping track of your order ensures peace of mind and helps you plan for the arrival of your new furniture or home essentials. Thank you for watching and safe shopping.